Hello, we're going to go over our 3 motors that we offer. They're inserts for the K10 and the K5 from RC 4-wheel drive. This is a fully done stock motor with all the details. Comes with different air cleaners. We added the air conditioner pump, the air conditioner unit, the heater box. We added the MSD and the coil. Everything else, the brake booster and the battery, that comes with this kit. The air cleaners come with this kit. So that would be this one right here. You put it together. That way you could paint it individually, or you could put it together and paint it. We also have another stock motor. This is the original one. It's all one piece, very easy to use. Comes with a brake booster, comes with a battery, but those are the only add-ons to it. And then our third kit has the high rise, but it's basically the detail kit that's down there. This again, you can paint individual parts or as a whole. But what I'd like to go over today is the air conditioner unit, because there's a little assembly, little creativity to it. So to begin, we have the heater blower box. This will glue on to either one of these two. It's not made for the basic one because it has this little reinforcement. If you do want to put it on there, you'll probably have to cut this little bar off down here, and then it would fit flush. But it wasn't made for that. This is just an easy, simple way to put a motor in there to hide that electric motor in the gearbox. So here's the heater box. This one's installed. It does not come with that. Now this is this little unit here. Has a hole through and a hole in the bottom. The hole through takes a wire and then goes into the heater box, and then a wire out of the bottom. And this is this unit. It'll get 2 wires coming out of the back, or rods, wire, this stuff. And this is the front part of it. There's the belt, the pulley. So this will get glued on right here. And it's a no-brainer because I put a stop there. So you just put it in and then glue it on. Then once that's glued on, see if I can hold it. Yay. You'll glue this to the back of it and up here. So you put a dab of glue here and a dab of glue here, and that has a little hole to center it. You put it on there, and this will reach over the valve cover and just hold it a little bit more secure back there. So to get to these wires, the shapes, I just took off of Google some pictures of small block Chevy motors from 1975, 76. And I took this kind of wire, which is very soft wire, very easy to bend. It does have a little bit of a rust-proof coating on it. I would recommend taking a little Scotch-Brite on there before you clean it, because it's kind of an oil base and your paint probably won't stick or stay on there very long. So each of our air conditioner kits will have enough wire. You'll just snip the lengths that you want. Use Google to get the basic designs. And those were the hard lines. These are aluminum tubes. And then from there, hoses come across. And I haven't done that yet. Probably if you take a gauge of wire and you pull the copper out and just use the rubber outside, you could probably glue a little hose and just finish it. But as you can see, I haven't done that yet. But I just wanted you to know what you're getting into when you buy the air conditioner unit. There's a little bit of bending, painting, gluing, but you can make it any way you want. If you find a picture from a 1978 or 79 or 86, whatever you're building, although the body of those trucks, the K10 and the K5, are not 86 style, you can still bend it however you want. We just tried to make it easy and put it all into a kit for you. Okay.